Hey everyone, today we'll be walking through problem number 28 from chapter 9 of the textbook, which asks us, in what cases would intellectual property laws hinder innovation? So, if we think about this logically, if these laws are too strict or too lenient, essentially if they are too weak or too strong, they would definitely hinder innovation. So, if they're too weak, then what would happen is that innovation would become less. I'll just give a brief example. If we had weaker patent laws